if there is a chance that you've made an error in cleaning the corners of this particular ring, what I would do, and please understand that no one is perfect, cleaning is so critical. Any deviation of perfection is not acceptable. What I will do now is get my sanding disc and go over it again very carefully, starting at the crevice, the corner, and coming back towards the bottom part of the shank. Concentrating on what you're doing. I cannot overemphasize how critical this is, because when you're finished the string, it goes directly to the polishing stage, and they will enhance whatever you're doing here. Sometimes I concentrate so much I forget to blink or I forget to breathe, and that causes problems. So go over every defect. When you feel that you've done the best as you can, well, stop the emery disc and go into your cleanup with your tapered wheel. And here we go again. Starting at the corner and follow back. Keeping your fingers tight on that ring. If you want to hold it against a bench peg, please do so right now. All of the wheels must have a sharp corner and look after them. Start and swing it back. Now I am happy with it. This is going to be a very nice saleable ring. Here are nice sharp corners where it has to be nice and sharp. Now I'm just going to show you up close. It looks pretty darn good. I'm happy with it. And so should you be too. Thank you for your attention. My next ring will be how to set an 8x6 oval stone. And here I have some of the stones ready for setting.